Subscribe to Tech Features on your YouTube app and don't forget to press the bell icon. With that, you will be notified whenever I upload my next video. Hey people, welcome back to Tech Features and I am Surya. So in this video, I'm gonna give a small tutorial about how to download the Facebook videos to your gallery. So without any let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Features and the press bell icon. With that, you will be notified whenever I upload my next video. So first of all, you just need to open your Play Store and you just need to download a video downloader app. So that's it guys, here you go. This app, video downloader for Facebook. So you just need to install that app. So already I have installed it. So you just need to open after installing. So after installing, you just need to sign in or else log in to this app as usual. Normally we do. After that, you just need to save. So first of all, you just need to move to the FB, your Facebook ID. You just need to log after that, and you just need to save a video. So here is a small video. So you just need to save it, save video. So after that, and open video downloader for Facebook and move to saved videos. So here we go. You just need to click on the video again. Try to play that video and here you get the download option. So click on download. A small ad will be played. You can cancel it. So here we go. Download has been already completed. So let's open my mobile gallery. So here we go guys. The video has been downloaded to our gallery. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you have any doubts, please you can comment in the comment section, and if you will get request for any other videos, so I will try to make them. So that's it guys. Thank you and please do subscribe to my channel.